This is task 2 for Spark Filtership. Unsupervised machine learning is training the data without the labels. The algorithm used here is K-mean clustering. Libraries are declared here: plotly to plot graphs, numpy to perform mathematical expressions, dataset to load iris data, standard scaler to standardize the features, the locator to calculate the appropriate number of clusters, k-means to perform k-mean clustering, matplotlib to plot multidimensional graphs, sklearn.metrics to evaluate my model. Iris dataset is loaded here. Iris.target will work as a true label for us in evaluating the model. Here is a plot for the iris data, like it's a two-dimensional plot. Here data scale is observed. All the features are observed individually to see whether there is a difference of scale or not. Here you can see that all features are in the same scale or range. So we don't need standardization here. But still I perform standardization for the sake of argument that would standardization help in all cases or not. Standardization, as its name suggests, just standardize your features, like it transform all your numerical data into scaled range so that the mean of all data becomes 0. It is to avoid the difference, large differences in the range or scale, or to compensate the difference of measuring units. Here you can see I have used standard scaler to standardize my features. To choose appropriate number of clusters, elbow method is used. As you can see in the graph that with increasing number of clusters, the SEC decrease. The elbow point is a point where the graph starts to bend, and there is a trade-off between number of clusters and error. So the appropriate number of clusters chosen by this method is 3. So we will use 3 as number of centroids or centers. I have performed the same steps with features, and here you can see that the number of clusters are 3 here as well. K-means algorithm is used to train the features, scaled features. Here you can see the lowest SEC value is 139.82, and for features the lower SEC value is 78.85. So from here you can see that where the results are going. 4-dimensional clustering plots, I created a function for that. Here you can see the plot, like it's a beautiful plot, 3D plot, where centroids and the points allotted to each cluster is plotted. Here it's for features. For 2D graph, plotly is used, and here you can see the graph, like it's beautiful as well. To evaluate the model, y_k-means.labels, this is a inbuilt function, is used as predicted labels, and as I told you earlier that iris.target will work as 2 labels for us. The accuracy with scaled feature is 65.98%, and for features the accuracy is 76.5%. So here you can see the difference, that standardization didn't improve our result, it deteriorated the results. Here is the bar graph for the sake of comparison, like you can see it visually. So I have proved that standardization won't work always. You have to look at the features first, then perform standardization, else it will deteriorate your model or results. Thank you for watching this video. Allah Hafiz.